Thera-Tabs are multivitamin tablets that are used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for maintaining good health and are important building blocks for the body. It is recommended to take Thera-Tabs daily with a meal to ensure optimal absorption. These tablets provide a range of essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for overall health and well-being. It is best to take Thera-Tabs at the same time each day to establish a routine and ensure consistent intake. This medication should be taken by mouth, typically once a day or as prescribed by your doctor. It's important to follow the directions on the product package and not take more than the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. In order to get the most benefit from this medication, it should be taken regularly. Try to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach, don't worry. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If they persist or worsen, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this medication is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. For more information on side effects, you can contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., you can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's important to keep Thera-Tabs out of reach of children, especially if they contain iron. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children younger than 6 years. If overdose does occur, it's important to seek medical help right away or call a poison control center. Thera-Tabs are typically taken once daily or as directed by your doctor. It's best to take them with a meal to help with absorption. Make sure to follow the dosage instructions on the label and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns. Before taking Thera-Tabs, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients or to soy/peanut. This product may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Make sure to discuss your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. Thera-Tabs can pass into breast milk, so it's important to discuss this with your doctor as well. Remember to always consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details and guidance. When taking Thera-Tabs, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This means that Thera-Tabs may interact with other medications you are taking, which could affect how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If your Thera-Tabs also contain iron, it's best to avoid taking them at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Additionally, if your Thera-Tabs contain folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. It's also important to note that Thera-Tabs may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. Make sure lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are taking this medication. If someone has taken too much Thera-Tabs and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Remember to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. Thera-Tabs may also contain ingredients such as docusate. If you have any questions about the ingredients in your brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that Thera-Tabs is not a replacement for a healthy diet, so it's best to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. Make sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines as directed by your doctor. And don't forget to take Thera-Tabs daily, as recommended, to get the most benefit from this medication. If you forget to take Thera-Tabs at your scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just wait and take it then. Don't take an extra dose to make up for the missed one. Just stick to your regular dosing schedule. Thera-Tabs can be taken with or without food, but it's best to take them at the same time every day to help you remember. Remember to store Thera-Tabs at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep them out of the bathroom and out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Thera-Tabs, make sure to do so properly by consulting with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. And, never flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If the product is expired or no longer needed, it should be discarded according to the proper guidelines. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.